of Dr. Manmohan Singh, at the age of 92, India bids farewell to one of its most distinguished statesmen. As an economist, scholar, and two-term Prime Minister, Dr. Singh's intellectual rigor and principled leadership altered India's economic course, leaving an enduring impact. The life of Dr. Singh, who was born in Gah in Punjab, which is now in Pakistan, in 1932, perfectly illustrates the opportunities that post independence India offered, showcasing his journey from simple beginnings to the highest political office in India. From Punjab University to esteemed international institutions, his path was paved by exceptional academic success from a young age. He was a Cambridge University economics tripos. The undergraduate economics program is known as the tripos. The economics tripos comprises three parts: Part 1, Part 2A, and Part 2B, across 3 years of study. The course progressively covers economic theory, quantitative methods, and applied economics. Later on, as he did Doctorate of Philosophy from Oxford, where his doctoral work on India's export competitiveness presaged his future influence on national economic policy. Dr. Singh made his most important contribution when India's economy was at its lowest point. Facing a severe economic crisis in 1991 as finance minister under P.V. Narasimha Rao, he found India's foreign exchange reserves critically low, enough to cover just 3 weeks of imports, threatening imminent default on the country's external debt. His response showed both courage and foresight. His landmark budget speech that year included the famous declaration, "No power on earth can stop an idea whose time has come," preceding the announcement of sweeping economic reforms for India. The reforms he spearheaded were unprecedented. By dismantling the license Raj, opening India to foreign investment, reforming trade policies, and modernizing the tax system, Dr. Singh revitalized the Indian economy. These changes not only prevented India's economic collapse but also paved the way for sustained growth in the following decades. Thanks to his support of liberalization, India's economy was reborn, shifting from a self contained state run model to a dynamic force in international trade. India's democracy reached a unique turning point in 2004 when a former technocrat became Prime Minister of India, heading the world's most populous nation. During his 2 terms as Prime Minister between 2004 and 2014, Dr. Singh's administration focused on a unique vision of inclusive growth. His leadership propelled India to record GDP growth exceeding 8% annually in his first term, establishing it as a major global economic force. Today's rulers are now uh, reaping the fruits of Dr. Singh's vision. Dr. Singh's administration not only achieved macroeconomic success but also implemented transformative social welfare programs, changing India's social safety net. The world's largest jobs program was created by the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or MNREGA, guaranteeing 100 days of paid work each year for rural households. Empowering citizens to hold government accountable, the Right to Information Act complemented the Right to Education Act, which established education as a fundamental right of every child. Dr. Singh's most significant foreign policy accomplishment was the 2008 Indo US Civil Nuclear Agreement. This skillful diplomatic achievement ended India's nuclear isolation while preserving its strategic nuclear program, a pivotal moment in Indo US relations. Dr. Singh's ability to navigate intricate international negotiations while prioritizing India's interests was clearly demonstrated by the agreement. Infrastructure development also saw significant advancements under his government. Extensive highway development through the National Highways Development Project linked remote areas of India, complementing rural electrification programs that energized thousands of villages. Millions of Indians have gained better access to healthcare thanks to investments in infrastructure and programs under Dr. Singh's watch. Dr. Singh's personal style was a refreshing change from the often flamboyant displays of many political leaders. He was lauded for his understated manner and preference for deeds over words. But this also drew criticism. While some critics misinterpreted his gentle demeanor as a as weakness, he was actually a determined leader who guided India through many complex challenges, including the 2008 financial crisis and various regional security issues. Although his government or some of the senior members of his government were accused of corruption during his second term, Dr. Singh's personal integrity was never doubted. His reaction to challenges showed his typical blend of practicality and strong moral values. His personal integrity and commitment to public service were acknowledged even by his political adversaries. They could criticize him, but they could never find fault with him. Even beyond his official terms, Dr. Singh remained a highly influential intellectual and policy maker. His many scholarly contributions continue to shape the discourse on India's development challenges. His economic plan uniquely combined market based reforms and a strong commitment to social equity, providing a distinctive approach for developing economies. A remarkable humility characterized Dr. Singh's career, making him stand out in the public eye. His high ranking positions in India's government never diminished his approachability. He always retained an academic's dedication to careful listening and reasoned argument. He demonstrated a leadership style that emphasized substance over style, respecting democratic institutions and fostering collaboration. Dr. Singh's wife, Gursharan Kaur, and their three daughters survive him. She was his constant companion during his long career in public service. Though India mourns his death, his contributions to the economy and the countless lives he touched continue to shape the nation. Future generations will recall him as more than just the architect of India's economic liberalization. They will see him as a leader who proved that integrity, intellectual prowess, and humility can coexist at the highest echelons of public service. Modern India's transformation is, in many respects, reflected in the life of Dr. Manmohan Singh. A life defined by education, visionary leadership, and dedicated service to the public. The transformative journey of this man from humble village beginnings to international statesman and his pivotal role in reshaping India's economy showcases the potential of democracy and the power of ideas to effect national change. India's ongoing economic and social development continues to highlight the enduring relevance of his principles and policies. Indeed, he was an ideal Prime Minister of India.